So we have reached Binsar, and we have reached at 6 o'clock in the morning, pretty early and early to our schedule. We thought that we'll reach by 9 o'clock, but we reached at 6 o'clock. Interesting part, while coming to Binsar, we just entered Binsar, and what we saw, a leopard crossing the road, but unfortunately we were not prepared and we couldn't take a picture. The leopard just crossed the road and went down the hill, so that was a treat to our eyes, but couldn't take a picture for that. And now we are staying at Binsar Sanctuary, and this is the KMVN guest house. You see, so it has got a very nice view. So this is what we are currently enjoying. We'll have our breakfast, and the whole day we'll spend over here taking photographs, videos, and we have got a with us. And the bad part of this guest house is, as it's a forest land, so there is no electric supply, no electricity. So fortunately, I have my solar panel to charge my power banks and my cell phone, my camera. So I was pretty lucky to get my solar panel. And else it has got very nice cottages. It has got running water, but for hot water they provide you through bucket when you request them. And once again the view. So if we see right in front of us, on the far side is Panchachuli, which will be much more bigger when we can view it much more bigger when we will be in Munsiyari tomorrow. And on this side we have Nanda Devi, and we have Trishul as well. We're going for a nature walk, and we're going up this road to a place called Point. So this is day 2 morning, and we are still at Binsar. This is the place where we stayed yesterday. I have taken some shots from behind where we have got like the hill view, you see. And now we are planning to start our vehicle. It's pretty cold out here, around 5 degree or 4 degree, and we'll start our vehicle. Let's see how it works. And today we are going to Munsiyari. We'll start in next half an hour. We'll go to a German cafe, which Gaurav knows the German cafe because he has been here before. And we'll go to the German cafe and we'll grab some breakfast. We'll take some videos over there. I think it will be good. And now we have a downhill drive for 11 kilometers. It's a narrow patch, and that's it from now. Let's start the vehicle. So we are done with the vehicle starting, and let's get into the hotel. We have just stopped by for some breakfast. This is a very local kind of a shop. So this is the road from where we are traveling to Munsiyari. Let's see. This is in the valley. I've come down from that hilltop to the valley.